The ICEVI, the Nippon Foundation Mathematics Package for Teachers video series, Abacus as a Mathematical Tool. Title of the video, Abacus Subtraction involving 0. In this video, let us demonstrate Abacus Subtraction involving 0 with the example 1024 minus 55. Let us set the number 1024 in the extreme right of the abacus. That is, 1 should be set in the thousands column, 0 should be set in the hundreds column. That means you simply skip that column, 2 in the tens column and 4 in the units column. What do we mean by setting 0 in a column? This means we have to simply skip that column, as an empty column indicates 0. We have to subtract 55 from this number. For convenience, the child can treat the number as 0055. Let us start with the higher digit number. Here, 0 should be subtracted from 1. That means there is no change in the number 1024. Secondly, the 0 of the hundreds column should be subtracted from the 0 of 1024, and at this stage 2 there is no change in the number. We are starting now the actual operation from the tens column, as we are expected to subtract 5 of 55 from 2 of 1024. As the number 5 is greater than 2, we cannot subtract in tens column. Therefore, we have to subtract 1 from the hundreds column. Unfortunately, the value of a hundreds column is 0. Therefore, we have to move to the thousands column. Our task is to subtract 5, but we are moving 2 columns to the left and clear the only bead available there. That means we have cleared 100 instead of reducing 5 in the tens column. Therefore, the complement 95 should be added in the subsequent columns. That is, 9 should be added in the hundreds column and 5 should be added in the tens column, as we have reduced 100 instead of reducing 5. At this stage, the number we get is 974. Now comes the final step, where we have to subtract 5 from the units column. As there are only 4 beads left in the units column, we cannot subtract 5 from there, and as a result, we have to clear 1 bead in the tens column. That means we have cleared 10 instead of 5. That means we have to add the complement of 5 in the units column. We have in the upper abacus of the units column 1 bead left, which has a value of 5. We simply move that bead towards the separation bar, and the answer we get is 969. Hope this exercise must have given the child the understanding of how 0 should be treated in abacus subtraction.